Ayan guys, itong umaga na to, itanim ko na yung, ngayon ko lang siya itatanim guys, yung halaman doon. Yan guys, ito na yung halaman na kinuha ko sa ilog. Ita-transfer ko siya ngayon sa paso. At bumili ako ng malaking paso guys. Opo. Ayan guys, malaking paso na binili ko kahapon. Kaming dalawa ng aking anak at saka yung manugang ko ang bumili doon sa Metro Plaza dito sa amin. Yan guys, yung mga halaman ko ulit. Yan guys, magtatanim na ako. I-mix ko yung lupa na malagkit, tsaka yung mabuhangin. Ito yung mabuhangin, tsaka yung ano ng bunot guys. At saka yung ano ng itlog. Yan.
Tapos may oil.
Yan. Yan guys. Pasensya na kayo ni Lola, walang kameraman. Walang kameraman ako guys. Ayan na. Kaway-kaway. Thank you guys sa inyong panonood sa akin. Maraming salamat sa walang sawa yung pagsubaybay sa aking YouTube channel. Kakamayin ko lang siya. May gloves ako doon pero hindi ako sanay na gagamit ng gloves. Parang hindi ako makahawak, hindi ako marunong. Ayan guys ha. Hinimay-himay ko yung ano ng
Mama, patay ng uod.
Hindi yan siya uod.
Hindi.
Bulate.
Patay na siya?
Earthworm.
Patay na siya.
Siguro.
Siguro?
Hindi siya gumagalaw eh.
Hindi magalaw?
Opo. Yung earthworm. Mag-hi ka nga sa kanila. Hello guys.
Hello guys, welcome back my channel. And I'm watching Mama.
What did you say?
I'm watching Mama.
Okay, watching mama guys daw.
And some ball sand. And she says what there's oh guys, so many sand.
Okay. Then,
Oh yeah, with me.
ano ngayon? Anong tingin mo ngayon? Sunny day or rainy days? Rainy day.
Sunday.
Sunny day. Because? Why? What because? Sunny? Because?
Wow! Ouch!
Oh, daming bulate. Earthworm.
What's the
Yeah, you look that? So many earthworm.
Oh, she's moving the
Yeah, she moving.
Because some small sand.
Yung mga lupa daw guys na maraming
Mama,
bulate.
Mama,
Mataba
Mommy,
po daw yan.
put the bag.
Mixing mine.
Feel it?
Oh,
Then the fashion.
I use my hands. Yeah.
I'll wash my hands.
No. Hindi ay. Ito lang. Oh, I forgot something.
Wait.
Because ang laki ng butas niya guys, lulusot yung lupa. Kailangan hingin bato.
Ito?
Yeah. Little spoon. Oh, something screen. Bato siguro. Yung maliit lang, baby.
Okay. I don't see money.
Ang laki ng butas niya, guys.
Opo.
Ang laki.
Tapos na down siyam.
Ang laki ng butas ng ano niya.
Dapat may rock.
Dapat may rock. Stone. Rock. What do you call rock?
English yan.
Ah, English? How can you learn it?
Learn how is English name.
Huh?
Yeah.
Get some over there.
Okay. Other ball.
Yeah.
Where?
The little, yeah.
Little.
Little one.
Little
Look.
one.
Little one.
This one.
This one. This one. One more.
One more.
Yeah.
I don't see the
Here,
one
there.
there. Where?
Fine. Over there. Baby, over there, over there.
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 Okay.
There. Over there.
There.
Can find some.
Fine.
Some, kailangan ko ng
I
tatlo.
found this one.
Yeah. Mother. One more.
One more again.
Yeah. One more again.
I don't see one. Oh.
Yung iba, ginagawa nilang mix sa lupa pag nagtatanim sila yung anong tawag niyan sa English yung ano? Yung tayo ng kalabaw or kabayo. Yan. Yung ginagawa nilang fertilizer. Okay. Finish na. Okay. Start over again.
Now start digging.
Digging.
Look the flowers.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. So many flowers.
Dito pa rin tayo. Can I go out?
Can you go out where?
I'm going back. Right there.
Where?
I wanna know.
No.
I wanna go.
Why?
I wanna go under the old.
Oh, just wait. Awesome.
Say wash your hands.
Ayan, water.
Wash your hands.
Yeah. Okay. And ilagay ko na yung
Smell nice.
okay.
It's so big.
Yeah. Look at this, guys. Yan. Ito yung kinuha ko sa ilog. At
Tapos,
mahal to dito sa Maynila, guys. Okay.
Mama,
Why?
but they're dirty.
Dirty? No, it's beautiful inside in the our house.
House? I don't see the house right there.
Yeah.
But no house under the tree.
Just hold on.
Fun?
Yeah, you can hold. Matutumba siya.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, can you hold it? A little. Okay. Karne na yung mga bullet worm. Kasi na ano ko sila. Kawawa sila. Nakatay ko na sila. Nabungkal ko eh. Nabungkal ko yung earthworm. Oh baby. You hold like that.
Yeah? Okay.
Wala kasi kaming ano guys dito. Wala kaming ipa. Maghahanap ako ng ipa, ang layo. Nasa Santa Maria, Bulacan. At mahirap ngayon mag
Oo, guys.
biyahe. Diba?